In Module 2, I'm going to cover Active Directory Domain Services on Windows Server 2019. In this module, I'm going to cover an overview of Active Directory Domain Services so you'll get a solid understanding of exactly what Active Directory is. We'll cover different types of objects like user accounts, computer accounts, groups. I'm also going to show you how to deploy domain controllers so you'll be able to install Active Directory and you'll be able to create your own domain in your own environment. And I'm also going to show you how to manage user accounts, computer accounts by implementing group policy so you can control configuration settings, you can apply restrictions. You'll overall have the ability to centrally manage all the objects within your domain. Fascinating topics.